All right, guys, so we got a 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. We're gonna replace the battery. This is a Delco battery, 750 cold cranking amps, and the group size is 34 GHR. We're gonna remove number 10 here, and there's a 13 down there, and then we're gonna clean the terminal and put the new battery in. Should be very simple and easy job to do. I'm not worried about the idle sensor memory or anything like this on this vehicle because it's an older model. Nothing affects it. So anyways, I'm gonna get my gloves on. I'm gonna go get me a long extension with the 13mm for the battery mount, and then we'll proceed on with everything else. So give me a moment, let me get my tools ready. Okay, so it's all go. What we're gonna do is we got this battery terminal cleaner here. So I'm gonna reach down here. There you go, the bolt fell. Everything just fell down. I should have paid attention to that. So here it is. This is the little guy in the bottom. So throw some greasing on this. That should help you out. So let's take out the tool from here. We're gonna grab number 10. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen this up. This terminal comes off. This is the ground, and we're gonna take off the positive next. Very simple and easy. Loosen that baby up. And there should be no power. This car should be completely dead right now. And we're gonna pull this guy off. Take out this battery from here, and this little bracket gotta come off too. See this little guy? It's gotta come off. Let's put this here. So this battery's not light, so be careful with your back. We're gonna get this guy out. Just like that. Put this baby away. We're gonna get the new battery. I'm gonna grab it from this side. This is where I'm at. What we're gonna do is get the new battery in. And what you wanna do, you wanna push this battery this way. It tucks right in. I wanna take this little guy off the old battery. So it's a good idea to have this, keep the battery nice and good for the winter especially. And it's like, I call it a jacket. This guy keeps the battery nice and good and warm. Anyways, right down here, this terminal is kind of crappy looking, so I'm gonna order some terminals as well. So I do want to clean it for now. And there you go. Okay, before that, we're gonna put this guy in before we put the battery and everything back together. This little guy from the bottom goes in from the bottom, and the nut goes on the top. There you go. The bracket in the bottom goes cross like that. So what I want to do is I want to switch up my sockets anyway, and I want to get this guy in first. That will hold the battery in place. It should not move anywhere. Next step, what I like to do is I like to remove both of these. I need some spray for the battery terminal. So this is what I usually use. I'll spray some there, some here, and then I'll put this to the side a little bit, and I get the battery terminal in. Positive. Doesn't matter which one you want to get in first. Usually I do the positive first and the negative later, because everything is just nothing is powered up till the ground is in. So spray some more of that. If you don't have that spray, it's fine, but we're gonna clean this guy also. As long as the inside is clean, I don't care about the around surrounding, but this guy will go right in. We're gonna lock this guy up. Bada bing, bada boom. The battery terminals should not be loose at all, whatsoever. Anyway, thank you for watching my video, guys. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you guys got any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message. And bye-bye. Before we go, I'm gonna spray some more of this here. And that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. This protects the terminals and everything. I love this stuff. And I'll spray some there too onto that bolt so it stays nice and lubricated. Anyways, thank you for watching my video.